Look, Ren! This is like a great place to kill 12 minutes!
You said it, pal.
Oh boy, some helpless victims. I can hardly wait to scare the veins out of them. Watch me put on my most hideous grimace. Excuse me, I must go freshen up. This calls for the direct approach.
Say, what's this? I know! It's a wood-burning stove! Look!
Watch if you dare.
Ah!
Where are they?
Now, Ren, you shouldn't juggle strange people's dishes. I'm hungry, Ren.
Yeah, me too. I could go for a sandwich.
Yeah, a sandwich.
I'll hide in this.
What shall we put on it?
How about peanut butter?
And marmalade?
Fish eggs.
Fish! Joy!
Stop! You selfish pig! You would eat all of it.
I'm sorry.
Think of all the starving yaks out there that would kill for a meal like that.
No! Oh, my father! Thank you. Take that! What's he doing, Ren?
A yak always tenderizes before he eats it.
That! Here's one for your old man!